Whether you attribute its popularity to its practicality or commercial viability, the Ford F-150 regular cab has long been a respectable choice in the full-size pickup truck category. In a market that is constantly expanding, the American product has ranked the success scales and established standards for its competitors to meet. The truck is currently in its 14th generation, which was introduced in 2021, and features a novel design while providing an excellent overall experience. Even in a truck that can seat 3 passengers, the Ford's intuitive setup and clever space and comfort provision, even in the face of its impressive towing capabilities, enable it to stand out. On the other hand, there is a Chevy Silverado. In addition to becoming one of the most popular full-size trucks in recent years, Silverado has been one of Chevrolet's most successful nameplates, consistently selling close to 600,000 units annually. Since the 2019 model year, the 4th generation of Silverado trucks have been sold, and they recently underwent a midlife refresh. Regarding that, the Chevrolet Silverado 15.0 regular cab is being kept around with a few minor changes and a slight price increase for the 2023 model year. Let's assume that you enjoy these trucks, the new Ford F-150 and Chevy Silverado 15.0. After using one of these for 5 years, you want to sell it for the highest possible profit. In this video, we will find out which model has a higher potential for resale. It's the Lazy Rusher YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. We need to conduct some research in order to determine which of these two trucks has a higher resale value. For this task, we can use the Car Edge website. Go to Tools, Depreciation Calculator. Fill in the form. Car make, Ford. Model, F-150. The current vehicle age is set to new. The current estimated MSRP for the base regular cab trim is $34,885. Own it for 5 years. Annual miles is 12,000. Calculate. According to the Car Edge calculation, the Ford F-150 will lose 24% of its value over the course of 5 years and have a resale value of $26,509. Your total cost of depreciation for this vehicle would be $8,376 if you intended to keep it for 5 years. The 2023 Ford F-150 depreciates slowly, like the majority of pickup trucks manufactured in the U.S. Compare these findings to those for the Chevy Silverado. Car make, Chevrolet. Model, Silverado 15.0. The current vehicle age is set to new. The current estimated MSRP for the base Silverado is $36,300. Own it for 5 years. Annual miles is 12,000. Calculate. The Chevrolet Silverado 15.0 will lose 22% of its value over the course of 5 years and have a resale value of $28,314. Your total cost of depreciation for this vehicle, if you intend to keep it for 5 years, would be $7,986. So, look at these two tables. F-150 will lose 24% of its value over the course of 5 years, and its resale value will be $26,509. Silverado 15.0 will lose a little less. It will depreciate by 22% and will keep its resale value at the $28,314 mark. One of the best vehicles on the road for maintaining its value over time is the Chevy Silverado 15.0. In terms of depreciation at year 5, the Silverado 15.0 is a tiny bit ahead of Ford, and the F-150 is only 3 spots behind. It's difficult to beat the Silverado 15.0 if you're looking for a half-ton pickup that will be a wise investment in the long run. Hope this information was useful for you. Write in the comments which other car models comparisons would you like to see on this YouTube channel.